Good morning, everyone. Dinosaur reporter Megasauras here. In our vast attempts to aid the Tyrannosaurus species, we have been on a prehistoric hunt for a severe genetic dilemma. Jurassic times call for Jurassic measures. What's the problem? T-Rex can't reach bones they've dropped while eating dinner. I've caught up with designer John from the Kohl's Design It Lab, who has been working to solve this issue. We've got a dynamite plan ahead. John, can you give us the rawr deal?
Thanks, Megasauras. I gotta hand it to you. This is the handiest project we've designed. Hands down. We're excited to announce we're making the prosthetic hand grabber in the Kohl's Design It Lab. So if you have some free time, or a free hand, come in during the month of September and make your own. There you have it. Come on into the Kohl's Design It Lab any weekend in the month of September and make a variety of different projects, all relating to the human body.
Rawr!